Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be taking a look about creation of a Binance account. So I'm going to take you through the steps on how to create Binance account. So first things first, all you have to do is to download the app. After you've downloaded the app, you open the app. So this is your dashboard. So all you have to do is to click on the icon at the top left corner. You click on this icon, then you click on sign up. Now that you've clicked on sign up, you can sign up with your email or phone number, or you can continue with your Google account. Google account is easier to sign up with, but you can also sign up with your email or phone number by yourself directly. So all you have to do is to click on sign up with email or phone number. Okay, now all you have to do is to put in your email address. You put your personal email address here. You put your personal email address here. Put your personal email address here, and you input your password here. So you can click down if you have a referral ID. You click down and put your referral ID here. So you can just copy your referral ID that you got and just input it here. After which you create personal account. So it's very easy to do. After you create the account, all you have to do is to verify your email address and your phone number, and your account should be ready to go. After you verify your name by submitting a means of identification, be it an ID card, voter's card, NIN, or your BVN. So one of those things will be okay for you to use. So let me log into my account now. Okay, as you can see, I am verified. My account is verified, as you can see. So when you verify it will show verified here. But if you haven't verified, all you have to do is to verify your account by clicking here and clicking on verification. Click on verification, then you submit your required means of identification. As you can see, all you have to do is to submit your required means of identification. At the moment my network is very terrible, so it's not loading, but all you have to do is to click on your identity verification and you submit the required documents, and when it has been accepted, you will see verified under your verification. So let me go back and try to explain how you go about the Binance app. As you can see, on Binance you can basically buy crypto, or if you have crypto already, you can just send this from the crypto wallets you currently have your crypto in and send it to Binance, and you can sell it directly on Binance. The most interesting part of Binance is the fact that you can sell your crypto directly. You can sell it through the use of peer-to-peer, which otherwise known as P2P trade. So you sell it to someone else that needs crypto while they'll send money to you, or you send money to someone and they'll send crypto to you. So it's basically one of the easiest ways to get crypto online, and I highly recommend Binance. I've been using Binance for more than a year and I haven't had any issue with Binance. It has really been a source of joy for me because I carry out crypto transaction constantly, and Binance really helps with that. So as you can see, you see get started with crypto, deposit, buy crypto, and get 8 USDT in gift card. So if you refer 3 of your friends to sign up to Binance, you can get 8 USDT in gift card, and they will also get a bonus they'll get the bonus after they complete a deposit. So it's a win-win situation. So let me just click here. Let me click here. Click down here. If I click down here, I'll go to my wallet. So let me click on my wallet. As you can see, I currently do not have any money in my wallet, but if I wanted to withdraw, I'll just click on withdraw, and I'll click on the crypto I have, click on it, and I'll input the address, I'll put the network, I'll put the amount I want, and they'll remove their charges, and the remaining money would be what they'll send to the wallet address I input here. And let me go back and take you all to the Pro Binance, because this is currently the beginner's Binance. So if you look here, this is the Pro Binance switch. So all I have to do is to click on it, and it will take me over to Binance Pro. As you can see, Binance Pro has more features and it looks more complicated. So that's why I'll always advise you are conversant with the regular Binance interface before you move over to the Binance Pro. As you can see here, I can trade on Binance Pro. I can trade sports trading, margin trading. I can do fiat directly, and this is the P2P I was talking about. So I can sell directly. Very sorry. So as you can see, for example, Father Tech, this person sells 1 USDT at a rate of 741 naira, and the person has 166 USDT available for sale. So I can buy any amounts from 50,000 naira worth of USDT to 123,000 worth of USDT. And I can also sell. If I choose to sell, I'll just sell my available USDT to someone, and they'll send me cash. But for here, I'll send them, if I want to buy, I'll send them cash, and they'll send me the equivalents in USDT. So let me go back. This is your wallet. This is the overview of your wallet. And here you'll be able to see how much you have in your spot, your funding account, your spot account, your cross margin account, and so on and so forth. So it is very easy to navigate through Binance. It isn't anything too difficult. It might be challenging at first, but over time you get used to it. All you have to do is just scroll through the app, and anything you don't understand, you can always ask your customer care. You can always ask them, the support team. You can always ask them. So the app is very easy to use. And if you want to transfer money to someone who is also on Binance, for example, all you have to do is click on Pay. So you use the Binance Pay, and for Binance Pay, you do not pay any charge. You don't pay charges for sending money. So if you send money now, you receive. If you send money now, you send the exact money you want to send, or the exact crypto you want to send, and the person will receive the exact crypto you want to spend without any charge from both you and the receiver. As you can see, I have an offer here. All I have to do is send 0.01 USDT and I win 1 USDT. And this isn't the first time. I have also claimed a bonus like this before. For you, it might be 2 USDT, it might be 3 USDT. So you can always just send it. You can send 0.01 USDT. And if you do not have up to 0.01 USDT, you can just drop your Binance Pay ID, which is this here. Let me highlight it, which is this here. This is your Binance Pay ID. So you can just drop your Binance Pay ID for me in the comments, and I'll send you 0.01 USDT. And when you send it back to me, you will receive either 1 USDT, 2 USDT, or 3 USDT, depending on the offer you have. And also, if you want to check the available task you have to complete to get rewards, you can just click on task center, and there you see a couple of tasks that when you carry out, you have some bonus ready for you to claim. I currently don't know what the issue is with my network. It's very bad at the moment. Okay, as you can see, there are a couple of limited tasks that I have here. Trade any product on spot and get a 2 USDT token voucher, which I didn't do, so it has expired. Verify your identity, get a 20 USDT trading fee rebate voucher. I completed this, so I was given my reward, so that's why you see rewarded here. Make your first deposit, get the 30 USDT trading fee rebate. I was rewarded this too. Make a transaction on Cash Link and win 1 BUSDT. I also did this. I'm currently looking for the Binance Pay task. If I did it, as you can also see here, trade any product on spot and get a 3 BUSD cash voucher, which I also didn't do. There are a couple of things I didn't do, and that was because I wasn't informed when I signed up to Binance. If not, I could have easily made 10 USDT by just completing these simple tasks. And let me go to beginner's task. I do not have any beginner's task because I'm no longer a beginner. So there are tasks like this that you can do. You can just check your task center and see what you have and carry out those tasks to claim your rewards. When you are done with the task, all you have to do is just to come back and click on like for example here where I have rewarded, come back and click on reward, so you get rewarded. They'll credit you in less than a week. So yeah, that's basically all I have for you in this video, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share these videos with your friends who are also trying to create a Binance account. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.